Now to a crime alert, a man arrested for an attempted home invasion in Oak Park. At one point, he tried to pull open the back door while a woman inside fought to keep it closed. 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo just talked to that woman and is live with her frightening story. Laura.
I did, yeah, and that woman is still very shaken. We are on Redwood Street, and she tells me that her grandmother first saw the man trying to unlock this lock from the inside of their property. He told the grandmother that he was trying to find his children. Jessica Vo is still too afraid to show her face on camera. She was showering when she heard her grandma screaming about this man in her front yard. He was heading for their backyard.
So he wanted to go that way, but that way was blocked. And so he came this way.
The man walked up to their back door trying to get inside. Vo, on the phone with police, confronted him with a knife and tried to keep the door shut.
And I ran out, and then I saw him standing here and just like struggling with the door, and he's like pulling it, and then I'm just pushing, and he's like pulling. And so we're just fighting with each other back and forth. Police eventually showed up and arrested the man.
Vo says they told him he was a former Marine. He was armed with a knife.
He was so strong, so I thought that I couldn't hold it anymore.
Police haven't identified that man, and we still don't know what type of charges he is facing. Vo tells me officers told her that he has mental issues. Reporting live in Oak Park, Laura Acevedo, 10 News.
Thank you, Laura.